Jungkook stood in front of the mirror, buttoning up his white shirt, fixing the tie. His mind was heavy from the stress of the past days, but he took a breath to focus on work. Just then his phone buzzed on the nightstand. Caller ID, Dr. Kim. Jungkook picked it up, assuming it was another update. Jungkook calmly, "Hello, Dr. Kim." Dr. Kim cheerfully, "Mr. Jeon, congratulations. The surrogate you sent yesterday is now confirmed pregnant with your child." Jungkook's blood ran cold. He was confused. "Pregnant? Which surrogate?" Dr. Kim. "Amy, of course. Miss Amy. The process went perfectly." Jungkook's heart stopped. The phone slipped from his hand, chattering to the floor. His face turned pale, eyes wide in pure shock. Just then, Thong came rushing out of bathroom. "Here, wait." Seeing Jungkook froze like a statue. Thong. "Jungkook, what happened? Why do you look like that?" He saw the phone on the floor where a voice was still coming through. Thong bent down and picked it up. "Hello, who is this?" Dr. Kim. "Oh, is this Mr. Jeon Thong? Where did Mr. Jeon Jungkook go? Anyway, congratulations to both of you. Finally, have a surrogate." Thong blinked, startled. "Really? That's wonderful news." But then he noticed Jungkook still standing there, looking like he had seen a ghost, barely breathing. "Doctor, if it's true, then why does Jungkook look like this?" He completely shocked. Mr. Dr. Kim puzzled. I'm not sure, but maybe because of the girl identity. I told her name is Amy. He said she was his employee." Thong's smile froze. "Amy?" Dr. Kim continued casually, not realizing the storm he had just caused. "Yes, Amy. Everything went smoothly. Congratulations again." Thong's entire word spun. His knees buckled and the phone slipped from his hand, just like Jungkook had. He fell on the floor, eyes wide, voice shaking. "Amy, our surrogate is Amy?" Jungkook fell on his knees next to him, still horrified, in shock, the reality crashing over them both, snatching their happiness once again. Amy, their friend, their neighbor, their co-worker, was pregnant with their child. The two of them sat on the floor, stunned and speechless. Jungkook, hands gripping his hair. Thong was pacing back and front, his chest heaving, trying to make sense out of what they just do. Thong's voice shook, on the verge of the tears. "How did this even happen, Jungkook? How?" Jungkook swallowed hard, still staring at the floor. I don't know the Thong felt echo. "She is our neighbor. Did you ask her to do this? Did you push her into this to complete my wish?" Jungkook's eyes widened in shock, snapping out of the frozen state. "What? No, I would never force anyone into something like that. Never. If someone wanted to help us, it would have been by their own will, not mine." Thong took a shaky breath, trying to calm his racing heart, but tears still falling. "Now, then how did this happen, Jungkook? How did Amy end up pregnant with our baby?" Jungkook squeezed his eyes shut, fingers fidgeting to steady his own voice. Maybe because I sent Amy to the doctor. Remember, she was sick, and I thought she would be treated better as at the same clinic, since they already know our record. But everything went mixed up somehow." Thong froze, realizing. So, they thought she was the surrogate and went ahead with the producer. Jungkook nodded miserably, tears threatening to spill. "She probably doesn't even know what's happening to her. God, how do we tell her?" Thong covered his face with his hand, taking a trembling breath, trying to steady his shaking knees. We have to tell her, Jungkook. We can't hide something like this. She is going to find out anyway." Jungkook looked at him desperately. How do we even begin to explain this to her? How do we even tell her, like, "Hey Amy, you are pregnant with our child. Be serious, Tim." Tong stepped closer, putting a gentle, trembling hand on Jungkook's shoulder, forcing himself to be strong. Don't panic, Jungkook. We will find a way out. We will tell her the truth together. We will face whatever happened together. Jungkook swallowed hard, nodding, letting a single tear slip down his cheek. I'm so scared, Tay. What if she hates us? And what if she decided to abort? Tong shook his head, shutting Jungkook, holding Jungkook's face in his hand. She won't, Jungkook. She's a good person. We have to explain everything. We overheard that. Jungkook took a shaky breath, hugging Taeyong lightly, letting out a heavy sob against his shoulder. Taeyong hugged him back. I still wait, Taeyong. We will do this together, okay? Jungkook nodded weakly. Together, they held each other for a long moment. Me had been struggling every single morning, waking up with a sick, uneasy stomach that forced her to bathroom. Each time she ended up throwing up, her entire body trembled with weakness. At first, she thought it was just the affection of her fever, but when the nausea became daily routine, Amy grew worried. This is weird. I haven't even been with anyone for almost 6-7 months. Then how? She thought, her hand shaking. Still, the anxiety wouldn't let her rest. So, early that morning, she decided to clear her doubt once for at all. She bought the pregnancy test kit and sat nervously on the bedroom floor, heart pounding. Minute later, her hands sweated as she stared at the result window. Amy's heart stopped. Her mouth went dry because of the test case says it's positive. There are 2 lines there. She panicked. How did this can't be? I haven't. There's no way. She barely had a time to think when she heard footsteps. A familiar voice called from behind. Hey, beautiful. Amy's eyes went wide in shock. The test still clutched in her hand. She recognized the gentle, caring voice instantly. It's Soseok. In a split second of panic, she threw the test kit somewhere in the room, trying to hide it. She took a shaky breath and forced a smile as she turned it around. Hoseok was already standing there in a doorway. Hoseok softly. Hey, Amy, are you feeling better today? Amy's voice cracked slightly as she tried to sound normal. How is she? Yeah, I'm okay, just a bit dizzy. Hoseok tilted his head, a bit suspicious, but still smiling kindly. Are you sure? You look pale again. Amy shook her head quickly, forcing an awkward laugh to cover her pounding heart. Really, I'm fine. Thank you for checking on me. Her hands trembled behind her back, mind spinning over the positive test that now lay hidden somewhere in the room. What is happening to me? Amy fidgeted with her sleeve, trying to keep her hands from shaking as she stood in front of Hoseok. Amy, with a nervous smile, Hobishi, please wait here. I will bring something. Hoseok nodded kindly. Sure, take your time. Amy runs toward the kitchen, desperately needing a moment to breathe. Hoseok sighed, glancing around her cozy living room. His eyes landed on the framed photo on the side table, picture of a small, smiling Amy, no more than 7 or 8, in pigtail and a bright pink dress. Hoseok smiled fondly, picking up and brushing a thumb across the glass. She's really been sweet since childhood, he thought fondly, but when he walked toward the table as he was about to hold the photo, he felt something under his shoe, something small and hard. He paused, frowning, and looked down. Under his foot was a plastic stick, half hidden near the rug. Curious, he bent down and picked it up, instantly recognizing what it was, a pregnancy test kit. His eyes widened in the shock as he saw the 2 bold pink lines indicating the test is positive. Hoseok felt like the ground slipped under him, his breath catching in his throat. Amy, pregnant? But how? When? His hand trembled around the small white stick, the photo of Amy as a child still in his other hand. He felt a painful itch. Amy stepped back in with a bright smile, carrying a small tray with warm toast and juice. Hobishi, I brought you something to eat. You must be hungry. But as soon as she looked up, her smile froze on her face. Hoseok was standing there, tears gathering in his eyes, holding that pregnancy taste in trembling hands. Amy's heart dropped to her stomach. Amy, shocked voice breaking. Hobie. He looked at her, eyes glistening with heartbreak. Amy, is this real? Amy's throat felt dry, tears threatening to spill. Hobie, I will explain, please. But Usyok couldn't even find the right word. His voice cracked painfully and raw. Maybe we. He could have finished the sentence. They had never confessed their feelings to each other, but they both knew the truth in their heart. A single tear rolled down Amy's cheek. Hobie. Hoshok shook his head, wiping his own tears roughly with the back of his hand. His heart felt like it was being torn apart. I can't right now, I'm sorry. He placed the test kit carefully on the table, avoiding looking at her again, and turned it around. Amy, softly, through her tears. Hoseok waited. But Hoseok was already walking to the door, wiping tears from his face, leaving her alone in the silent room. Amy sunk to her knees, sobbing into her hands. The tray of toast left forgotten. Thong was folding laundry quietly in the bedroom, trying to keep his mind occupied when he heard knocking at the door. He rushed to open the door, surprised to see Amy standing there, tears rolling down her face, breathing heavily as if she had run the whole way. Thong worried. Amy, what happened? Before he could say more, Amy threw herself into his arms, sobbing uncontrollably. Amy, crying hard. I am pregnant. I swear, I don't know how. I haven't been with anyone in months. God knows where this child came from. I am so scared. Thong's eyes softened with sadness. His heart twisted in guilt and worry. He gently hugged her back. Thong, calm, gentle. Shh, Amy, it's okay. Come inside. He guided her carefully to the bed, making her sit down while he knelt in front of her, holding her cold hands between his warm palm. Thong took a deep breath to gather his courage. He looked straight into her tearful eyes, knowing he could no longer hide the truth. Thong, Amy, there's something you need to know. Amy's eyes widened, terrified. What do you mean? Thong, swallow it hard. This baby, it's ours. Amy, mine and Jungkook's. Amy's eyes went huge, her breath catching in her throat as the word seemed to tilt around her. What? Thong squeezed her and eyes filling with tears. I'm sorry, Amy, but this baby is ours. Amy stares at Thong, completely confused, her tears still streaming down her cheek as she tried to process this word. What do you mean by this baby is yours and Jungkook's? How? Just then Jungkook stepped into the room worried but determined to tell her the truth. Amy, that day when I sent you to the doctor, you remember? Amy nodded slowly, confused. Yes, he told me to get checked for fever. Jungkook sighed heavily. He was feeling guilty. Our doctor, she had been handling our surrogacy process. You probably know they and I were looking for surrogate. Amy nodded again, more tears brimming in her eyes. Jungkook continued. So, when I sent you there, the doctor thought you were the surrogate. I arranged it, and she went ahead with the procedure. That's how you got pregnant. Amy's mouth fell open, the world crashing around her, everything suddenly making a twisted kind of sense. Since silence filled the room, thick and heavy, everyone too stunned to breathe. Thong finally decided to speak, reaching to hold Amy's trembling hand. Amy, listen, you don't have to worry about this, okay? This happens because of our mistake, not yours. I will take you to the doctor and we can terminate the pregnancy if you want. You shouldn't be forced to do this. Jungkook nodded, pain written all over his face. He is right, Amy. This is our fault. We will fix it. Please don't feel pressure. Amy looked between them, tears running down her cheek, her heart pounding. Then she took a shaky breath, wiping her tears away. No. Thong and Jungkook both froze. Uh, I will keep the baby for you, for both of you. The room fell silent again. Thong and Jungkook left shocked as they tried to compare it. What she had just offered, an act of pure kindness and unimaginable sacrifice. Amy's words seemed to echo in the silent room. I will keep this baby for you, for both of you. Dong's eyes widened, tears instantly shining in his eyes as he grabbed Amy's hand tightly. Amy, do you really mean that? You don't have to. Please don't feel forced. Don't do this for us if it will ruin your life. Jungkook stepped closer to, searching Amy's face for any sign of fear or regret. Amy, you are under no obligation. You understand? This is our responsibility. We will do anything you want to support, help you, but you don't have to carry this baby if you don't want to. Amy swallowed hard, blinking away her tears, her voice trembling. No, Jungkook, listen. You two have been so kind to me. You have treated me like a family. I know how much you want a child. I know. I can see it in your eyes every time you talk about it. Last time, how Jungkook broke in your arms. I remember everything. Then how can you tell me to abort? No, I can't even think of using that word for your child. You have been waiting for this moment, and I'm glad I will be able to give you that happiness. I'm so glad, guys. Please, don't think I'm sad or hurt or forced. I'm not. I'm doing it because I want to. I want to see you both happy with your child. She buzzed, glancing down at her hand. And I don't think I could ever live with myself knowing I ended a baby's life that was meant to bring you happiness. Thong saw squeezed painfully, tears sliding down his cheeks. He cupid Amy's face gently, trying to read her sincerity. Amy, are you serious? Are you sure? You know what this means, right? It will change your life entirely. Amy nodded, fresh tears spilling, but a small determined smile on her lips. Yes, I'm sure. I want to help you. I want to give this baby to both of you. Jungkook's breath caught in his throat, overwhelmed by emotion. He wiped his own tears with the back of his hand, then bent down to hold both Amy and Thong's close. Thank you, Amy. I don't even have words. Thank you so much. Amy let out a shaky laugh, hugging them both back, feeling their warmth surrounding her. Even if it was terrifying, she knew in her heart this was the right thing. Amy took a deep breath, still holding on to both of them. But there's a problem. Thong frowned gently, brushing a tear from her cheek. What problem, Amy? Amy looked down, her hands nervously vacating in her lap. Hoseok, he saw the test today. He doesn't know anything about this. He just saw 2 lines and I know he likes me, I like him too. That's why he got hurt and left. He must think I cheated or something. Jungkook said, reaching over to rest a comforting hand on her shoulder. Don't worry about that, Amy. We will talk to Hoseok. We will explain everything to him tonight. Let's invite him over for dinner and clear this up. Amy looked grateful, but still unsure, nodding slowly. Thong squeezed her hand. From now on, Amy, you are staying with us in our house. Amy's eyes widened. What? No, that's... Thong cut her off. We want to take care of you. We shouldn't be alone. Like, carrying our baby? We will look after you, Amy. Jungkook nodded in agreement. He is right. You will be safer and healthier with us. Amy, please. Amy bit her lip, shaking her head at first, overwhelmed. I can't. It will be much trouble. But both men looked at her with the same caring expression, referring to back down. Thong, please, Amy. It's the last we can do. Jungkook, we won't let you face this alone. Amy felt tears welling up once again. She finally nodded, giving in to their kindness. Oh, okay. Okay, I will stay. Taeyong smiled softly, wiping away his tears, while Jungkook sighed in relief. Good. Tonight we will invite Usyok and tell him everything. No more secrets. Amy nodded, her heart still pounded, but now she knows she wouldn't have to go through this alone. The house had become the warm, gentle heaven. Amy, now in her 6 months of pregnancy, sat comfortably on the couch while a book resting on her round belly. Her hair was tied in a loose bun. Tong sat beside her, folding tiny baby clothes they had bought that afternoon, humming softly to himself. Occasionally, he had placed a hand on Amy's belly, feeling for gentle kicks, his eyes lighting up every time he felt movement. Tong with giggle. This little one is going to be a saucer player. He kicks so much. Amy smiles, nodding. He is really active today. Just then Janko stepped in front from the kitchen wearing cardigan and holding a tray with fresh cut fruits, warm soup and a parental vitamin. He carefully sat them down on the coffee table and looked at both with a proud smile. Jungkook, time for snacks. You too, Amy, you need your energy. And you, Thong, stop skipping meals. Thong whined, pouting playfully. Jungkook, I'm not pregnant. Amy needs more. Jungkook raised an eyebrow, pretending to scold him. You are my boyfriend. You eat when I tell you. Amy laughed as Jungkook handed her the bowl of soup, even adjusting the pillow behind her back to keep her comfortable. He then handed Thong a fruit bowl, ignoring his protest and patting his head teasingly. Amy looked at Jungkook, gratefulness in her eyes. You are really taking care of us, Jungkook. Thank you. Jungkook gave her a gentle smile, brushing a strand of hair behind her ear. It's the least I can do, Amy. You are carrying our child, and that. He paused to press a kiss on Tong's cheek. You are carrying my heart. Tong's face turned red, but he smiled shyly, leaning onto Jungkook's affection. Jungkook chuckled and gently nudged Amy's belly. And you, little one, you better grow strong so you can keep your parents on their toes. Amy finished the soup. Jungkook had made. She leaned back, resting her hand on her belly with a tired but peaceful sigh. Amy. Thank you, Jungkook. This was perfect. Jungkook smiles proudly. You are welcome. Just tell me anything you crave something. I will cook it, even if it's at midnight. Tong grinned, laughing against Jungkook's shoulder. You are going to spoil her. Jungkook kisses Tong's temple affectionately. I'm spoiling both of you. Deal with it. Amy laughed softly, then suddenly winced and put a hand on her side. Tong instantly straightened up, worry in his eyes. Tong, Amy, what is it? Pain? Amy shook her head quickly, giving them a reassuring smile. No, it's just a kick, a strong one. Jungkook's eyes widened and he scooped closer, placing his hand carefully on her belly. Can I feel it? Amy nodded, giving his hand to a resting on spot. Just then a strong little thumb pushed against his palm. Jungkook's eyes went soft, filling with emotion and even tear pulled in his eyes. Jungkook, he is strong, really strong. Thong reached to place his hand beside Jungkook, and soon both their palms were rested on Amy's belly, feeling tiny rhythm movement. Thong, whispering, our baby, he is really coming. Amy's eyes teared up, smiling with them. Yes, he is. They all stayed there for a moment, hand resting over the small life growing inside her, heart connected by a quiet, powerful bond. Tong leaned in to hug Amy carefully. I can't wait to see you, Amy. Amy laughed softly, hugging him back. Thanks to you both, I'm not scared anymore. Jungkook chuckled, leaning in to sandwich Amy and in a group hug. She will never be alone, Amy. That's a promise. Tai then covered Amy's belly with a blanket. Jungkook teasing, Tai, you are taking better care of Amy than me. Should I be jealous? Tong shot him a look and pouted dramatically. Yeah, I always take care of you. Don't act so needy. Jungkook walked toward him and sat beside him with a smirk, hugging Tong from behind, resting his chin on Tong's shoulder. But I am needy, especially for your love. Tong blushes and gently elbowed him away, but Jungkook only laughed and kisses his cheek, making Amy giggle despite everything. Amy, you too? You really are so sweet. Jungkook winked at her. Wait until you see him whine for my hugs at night. Tong cheeks turned bright red. Yeah, don't embarrass me in front of Amy. Amy laughed again, genuinely feeling lighter thanks to their playful energy. The entire house was decorated with soft pastel ribbon, delicate flower pot. A flower pot had been laid out from the gate to the living room with fresh rose petals in pink and white. It was Amy's welcome, but also the grand welcome of the precious baby boy she had carried for 9 long months. Hoseok walked beside Amy as she stepped forward, carrying a tiny sleeping boy in his arm. She looked beautiful even through exhaustion, tears shining in her eyes. As they reached the flower pot, a soft chant of blessing and cheers surrounded them. Amy took a breath, stepping on the petals and walking slowly, holding the baby carefully against her chest. Her heart was pounding so hard it felt like it would burst. But she kept walking, each step heavier with emotion. At the end of the path stood Jungkook and Tong, their eyes shining with tears and pure, unfiltered love. Amy stopped in front of them, gently rocking the baby in her arm. She looked up at Tong, who was already crying silently. Amy, softly, they. Now you don't have to cry for a baby anymore. Here. She carefully placed the baby into Tong's trembling hand. She smiled through the tears. This is yours. Then she reached for Jungkook's hand, placing it tenderly on the top of Tong's, as they both held their newborn son. This baby belongs to both of you. Tears streamed freely down Tong's face, and even Jungkook couldn't hold back his sob, pulling Tong and a baby into a protective embrace. Tong throat shook his sob. Thank you, Amy. Thank you so much. Amy nodded, tears pouring down her oven cheek. It felt like giving away a piece of her soul, but she knew deep in her heart this was what was right. Her knees almost gave out from the emotion, but Asyok stepped behind her, hugging her from the side, whispering softly, Hobie, you did so well, Amy. I'm proud of you. Amy leaned onto Hoseok, comforting warmth, crying openly. Around them, music played, friends and relatives cheered, and petals rained down as the baby was formally welcomed with the traditional flower bath and blessing. Jungkook kissed Tong on the cheek and gently stroked the tiny baby. Jungkook, with a warm smile. See, I told you God must have saved someone to carry our baby. I wasn't wrong. Tong nodded, leaning to kiss Jungkook's cheek lovingly, then gently kissed their baby's forehead. You were right, Jungkook. You were right. Amy stood with Oseok, watching them with a bittersweet smile on her face. Heart aching, but still she is happy. The baby was exactly where he was meant to be, surrounded by so much love, and in the moment as the entire family carried and laughed through tears. It felt like the world was finally right and their family was whole at last. Amy looking at Hobie. Amy looking at Hobie. I gave them the happiness they deserve, right? Hobie nodded, kissing her forehead. Yes, you did so well. He made her face himself, holding her shoulder. And don't be sad, because the baby is not with you. Because Tong and Jungkook, sir, will never abandon you. You can meet him whenever you want. And Amy, always remember, you can have your own baby again, but they can not. So never feel jealous just because you carried him, okay? Amy nodded, understanding him, turning to watch Tan and Jungkook celebrating. Hobie again heard from back. Good, because after your recovery, you will get married. She glanced at him over her shoulder. and we will make babies? He teases. As much as you want. She elbowed him and he hisses. She walked away to celebrate with Ty and Jungkook. What? I wasn't lying, baby. He screamed, making her shy because being a surrogate is different than doing a process and then becoming pregnant.